Hello everyone. If you are aiming for a grade 4 or 5 in GCSE Maths Foundation, this video is very important for you. Today I am going to show you hot topics that you must know to pass your GCSE Maths exam. If you learn this properly, you can move from grade 3 to grade 4 or even push to grade 5. So here you can see here. So these are the GCSE Maths Foundation, and when you're doing Maths Foundation you must know these topics if you want to pass your GCSE. So I have picked some of the hot topics which every year it comes. I have seen many papers and I found that these topics are repeated every year. Okay, so this should be a easy marks which you can get. So the hot topics, section 1, numbers. Okay, so this is very most important for paper 1, non-calculator paper. Okay, so these topics are extremely important. So topics like rounding and estimation, fractions, all operations like addition, subtraction, multiply and divide. Okay, fractions, decimals and percentage, ratio, standard form, metric units, conversion, SCF and LCM. So these topics are very important for non-calculator paper 1, and you should know this. You should master this topic if you want to pass your GCSE. So you can see literally there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 topics in numbers. So you try to master this in short time. Okay, because now only few weeks are left for your GCSE exams. So give your best. And fraction and percentage alone can give you 15 to 20 marks. So this is very hot topic. Okay, so just master fractions and percentage also. Okay, so this can literally give you 15 to 20 marks. Let's see the next section, which I have found that the questions are always repeated. Section 2, algebra, where many students lose marks. Okay, so many students are scared of algebra, but it is actually free marks once you understand the steps. It's very easy. So try to understand the steps of algebra. Okay, so the topic which I found that is repeated every year is collecting like terms, substitution. So you should know very well the substitution. Okay, and the next topic in algebra, linear equations, inequalities, sequences, straight line graph. If you can solve equations and draw graph confidently, you are already moving towards grade 4 and 5. Okay, so we can just master this section 2. Alright, section 3, geometry and measures. Okay, these topics always appears in every paper. Alright, so these topics are there in your paper in GCSE Foundation. Angles, area and perimeter, Pythagoras, area of a circle, similar shapes, plans and elevations, angles in parallel line. So these are the important topics in geometry and measures. So you need to master this if you want to pass your GCSE with good grades. Alright, so let's see the section 4. Section 4, statistics and probability. Okay, so many students ignore these topics, but they are guaranteed marks. So you should not ignore these topics. Okay. Pie charts, averages and range, probability, set notation. Okay. If you practice this properly, they are easy marks. So master these topics also. So literally you are seeing, like I have given you the questions which are repeated every year without fail. This topic will be there in your exam. So try to master this topic, and these are only 25 topics. Okay, 24 25. So master this, because now time is very less. In this less time you need to master these topics first. Okay, you do not need to know everything in the textbook to pass foundation. You need to master the right topics. So I have given you the right topics. Master it and get good marks in your GCSE grade 4 and 5. If you focus on these hot topics, practice exam question. After practicing, when you finish these hot topics, then you're going to practice your exam questions and understand the method step by step. You can absolutely move from grade 3 to grade 4 or even grade 5. Alright. Now in this series, I will teach each of these topics step by step with exam style questions. So now I'm going to post the videos on each topic. Just try to catch up with that, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, comment which topic you want first. Let's push your grade together. Alright, all the best.